So once more, hello everybody out there. Hope all are fine. My previous video, I've shown you and I've told you all that had happened. We were about to go. Everything was good and fine. Everything was already fixed. But at the last moment, we stayed back without going back home, and we also opted to stay back here instead of in the relief camp that is in Raipur. Yes, and I have no regret for that, and we should not regret in life, right? Yes. Most humble father. See. Not faking. Not faking, okay. See, he's here out. Just with these mangoes, giant mangoes.
All sold, only 3 remaining.
On the tree.
Yeah. When you're moving from here.
Oh, we.
Yeah.
No news still.
You had updated that the other day, last day, na? He updated, he said that, okay, we have everything packed.
So we are ready to move. We are ready to move when we are going out.
So that is 700. 700 what? 50. That was 60, na? This is 50. 60, 50. Okay. ये भी 50 में
100 में दो 100 में दो 100 का दो 100 का दो not 100 में 100 का दो interesting, yeah. Let's go market. 100 का दो 100 का दो But why don't you share to people of Manipur something of Bijapur? How is Bijapur, the situation now? As of what you think and what you know.
Bijapur, as far as I know, it's completely in control. So far the cases are very few and nothing in Bijapur, and we have got 1 or 2 cases in Jagdalpur, which is very recent. Jesh. 100 ka do. So what else? What was the question?
Like Bijapur, what is the situation? No?
Yeah, Bijapur, I feel Chhattisgarh, the entire Chhattisgarh, as far as I know, is a very beautiful place. The topography here is very beautiful. You can move around and you have got a lot to see and lot to learn from the tribals here. And they, one of the most important thing that I learned from here, from the people here, they don't have big dreams. They don't run behind big dreams as the people do in the cities. They have got very small dreams. They are satisfied with their life here. They earn for their livelihood from the forests. They get everything and they are able to manage with their livelihood. That's it. So I think we need to learn from these people. We need to, we must not run behind big dreams, but make life so simple, because 80 to 100 years a man lives, and in this life you run behind many things and ultimately you feel that life is nowhere, of no means. We don't take at the end anything. So that's the great lesson that I learned from here, and I feel that we can help the people here as not spreading religiosity just, but we can help educate the people and them skilled for doing some good jobs and earning their livelihood practically. This way we can develop the kingdom of God here on earth.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's it.